Hi folks, it's Moz here and it's time for my monthly recap on new model kits, fresh tooling kits that have been released throughout the month. And so last month we had 9 announced for future release and we're going to go through them one by one right now. So first off, Tamiya. They announced right at the beginning of the month that they're going to be releasing a 1/24 scale Porsche 911 GT3 RS 992. It looks fantastic with that white and that carbon fiber bonnet and roof and the spoiler at the back. The length of it's going to be about 190 millimeters. And they put a little bit of bump about it on their website. 2022 edition to the legendary ever-evolving Porsche 911 series. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a high-performance road car with a strongly circuit-orientated design. The hood and fenders have vents and wheel arches and roof are equipped with fins. Its massive rear wing drag reduction system, or DRS, offers seriously refined aerodynamics and the liberal use of carbon fiber reinforced plastic. Ensures a lightweight body. The rear flat 6-cylinder engine provides 525 PS, as opposed to horsepower. The 1/24 scale plastic model assembly kit. The length of it is 190 by 85, which is the width, and the height of it's 55, all in millimeters. The powerful form with air vents and fins is authentically captured in style. The decals depict dashboard, carbon fiber hood and roof, mesh seats, surfaces and door linings. Separate components recreate brake calipers and discs. Metal transfers are included to depict side mirror, surfaces and more. Masking stickers aid with the paint job. And there are a ton of pictures available, including a picture of the decal sheet and the mask set. But looking at it inside, it does look absolutely glorious. Revell Models have announced a Russian naval 10-ton tractor and tow bar, which is the kind of thing you would see on some sort of flight deck, on a ship somewhere, on an aircraft carrier. It's apparently going to be released around December 2024 and they're available on pre-release. I've not seen much information about it anywhere else apart from on the Jadland website, and this kit will include plastic parts. The tyres will be rubber, there'll be etched or photo etched parts involved, decals, and they also say there's going to be some 3D printed parts involved in this kit. Price of it on the Jadland website, £21.95. So if you want to go and pre-order it, you can nip over there and pre-order. Vespid Models have brought out a 1/72nd scale Buffalo A1 MPCV mine protected clearance vehicle. Not a lot has been found on the website, but I have found this one here on missinglinks.com with a picture of the product built. So you can see there you've got quite a bit of plastic there, some photo etch. Resin wheels it looks like, and it does look like it goes together quite well. But they're saying that they're having 3D printed gravity tyres, so I'm not too sure what that means, but looking at it, it does look very, very nice. And it will come with some precision interior details and some floor detail as well, so you've got some sort of like aluminium flooring, but yeah, you've got some good interior on this kit as well. Also at the beginning of the month, Dragon Models apparently are releasing a US Navy PBR Mark II patrol boat river, or Piber. Now all I can find is this on their website, on their Facebook page I should say. All I can find is this on their Facebook page, so I'm not too sure whether this is actually a new release or something that they've already had in stock for a while. I'm unsure whether it's a new, as I said, I'm not sure whether it's a new tool, but you can see by the picture here that they have put a mock-up of one that's already been built. It does look quite tidy. I don't know much about these boats, but apparently they're saying they're introducing the Neo White Box series, a revival of our beloved White Box collection, so make of that what you will. But if you're interested in building one of these Piber boats, apparently, by what I've gathered, that if you were going to build one, Dragon will probably get it sorted for you to build an accurate representation of the Piber. Before we go on with this rundown of 9 new kits that have been released this month, can I ask a favour? It really does help the channel if you are a subscriber. If you're enjoying the content, please just click subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Also, like the video too, that helps with the algorithm. And please, any questions, put them in the comments box below, or any observations. I always try to respond. That's it, back to the video. Clear Prop on the Facebook page apparently have announced today that they are going to be bringing out a Boeing F4B and P12, and they have test builds soon with the F4B-4 model being released, and they've actually put up some pictures here of the plastic. So this looks like the first test shots. It does look very crisp, in all fairness. The engine detail looks fantastic. They've got some interior detail there on the fuselage parts there. Massive wheels on this, obviously. Well, they call them bicycle wheels. But yeah, they've put out this these little pictures of the plastic, and to be fair, it looks highly detailed with some nice recessed panel lines and some decent rivet marks there. But obviously, I think if you want to build one of these, I think Clear Prop is the answer. And yeah, and it's going to be in 1/48 scale. So there you go. If you've been wanting a 1/48 F4B, this looks like the one to build. KP Models have announced in 1/72 scale a Grumman Goslin Mark 1, and they're claiming it to be a new mode, not a Parvla kit. I found the pictures on the Hannant's website for this, and to be fair, they've given you quite a lot of schemes here. 1, 2, 3 schemes to get yourself interested in this kit. Some pictures there of the plastic. It does look quite tasty. So it looks a bit chunky. I'm not keen on that doorway. That door there looks a little bit off. But yeah, there's the plastic there for you. As I can say, it is KP Models, so take a look at the picture, so how you want to look at this kit. But if it's something that you want a good representation of modding kit wise, then maybe this is the answer for you. Price of this one's around £17.99 on the Hannant's website. One box art apparently is all we can see on this one, which is Trumpeter and the AH-1W Super Cobra attack helicopter, 1/35th scale. No more information about it, no pictures, just box art, and that Trumpeter are going to be releasing this in the first part of 2025 allegedly, and no information about pricing or anything like that. But you can see by the box art that they've got a vision there for this Super Cobra. Zvezda have announced a 1/144 scale launch vehicle Soyuz 2.1 box art. I can see, I found this on Brit Modeler. There's some box art there of it where it comes with crewed spacecraft apparently and a cargo spacecraft Progress. So those are the 2 versions I believe you can do. There's a picture there which I presume is CAD images of the rocket, the space launcher. It does look tasty, to be fair. Zvezda, my heart is so torn on this, because you know how much I've always wanted to build a decent one, and coming from them, you know, they've got a reputation of really good models. In fact, Revell box a lot of their models, or they did do before the war. I know it's a Russian company, but my heart is torn. You know, at the moment I probably would not buy it, but I know that when this is all said and done and all done and dusted, the first kit I would buy would probably be this one. If somebody wants to gift it to me, they're quite welcome to, but I can't part with money because it's a Russian company. But I really do want to have a crack at this model kit. You know, being a space nerd and loving all things space, I think Zvezda have chosen wisely in producing this Soyuz in 1/144 scale. And the last thing on the list, and it's basically a picture from a whiteboard. So whether this is this has been you know, some sort of spy has taken this picture and run away with it from the Edard head office, a little bit of covert operation. All we have is this picture here of a P51B Mustang in 1:32 scale, and Edard are looking at releasing it soon. They're saying it's going to be a 2025 tooling, so we will be seeing it before, I presume, this part of the, this won't be this year anyway, probably be the early part of next year, maybe even around the summertime. But yeah, when I saw this picture, I told Nigel about it, and Nigel from Nigel's Modelling Bench was jumping with joy because he does like doing a 1/32 scale kit. And the Mustang is his favourite plane, the P51B is one of his favourites. And I assume that, hopefully that, everything will come good, that they will release it in good time, and it'll be a fantastic model with plenty of photo etch, plenty of resin, plenty of decals, plenty of everything to go in that box. Pricing, nobody seems to know any pricing, but definitely a kit to look out for if you want to build a Mustang, a P51 Mustang in 1/32 scale. And that's it. There was it. That's basically 9 tools that have been announced for future release, and there's quite a few there to take your fancy. Leave a comment below on any that really do take your fancy. As I said, out of them all, that's Zvezda Rocket. Oh, my heart is bleeding. But, in the state of the world, can I really justify buying it? It's hard, isn't it? It's very hard. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below, because I do reply. And a huge shout out again to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. Every Thursday, unless I'm on holiday, I do a live stream for the channel members where we talk about scale modelling, and no one else can see it. It's just for channel members, and quite often I give away a few kits to the channel members too as prizes. But that's it from me. In one of the 4 corners is a video or a playlist of other videos on my channel so that you can go and look at. And until next time, I'll see you soon.